Number 10.
Transform your small backyard into a modern and cozy oasis, where a sleek wooden deck, lush potted plants, and minimalistic outdoor furniture come together to create an inviting and intimate gathering space. Soft outdoor pillows and throws add comfort, while ambient lighting sets the mood for enchanting evenings. Embrace the simplicity and contemporary charm of this small backyard design, a perfect place to share laughter, conversation, and memorable moments with loved ones in a stylish and welcoming environment.
Number 9.
With a vertical garden wall, cascading water feature, and comfortable seating, your small backyard can be transformed into a lush and tranquil urban oasis. Embrace the beauty of greenery and the soothing sound of flowing water as you escape the hustle and bustle of city life. This backyard oasis offers a serene and rejuvenating sanctuary, where you can unwind and find solace in the midst of nature's embrace. Step into this lush green escape and allow it to refresh your senses, providing a tranquil haven for relaxation and rejuvenation.
Number 8.
Unlock the potential of your small backyard by transforming it into a versatile and serene retreat. With a sunken lounge for relaxation and a raised dining platform for socializing, this space offers the best of both worlds. Surrounded by lush foliage, the ambience is soothing and enchanting, providing a serene escape right in your own backyard. Embrace the multifunctionality of this charming retreat, where you can unwind, dine, and connect with nature, making it a cherished and inviting space for creating lasting memories with loved ones.
Number 7.
Embrace the beauty of contemporary design in your small backyard, where a geometric pattern tile patio, statement fire pit, and built-in bench seating coexist in stylish simplicity. The clean lines, neutral color palette, and minimalist landscaping create an inviting oasis that seamlessly blends modern aesthetics with functionality. Step into this captivating outdoor retreat, where style and practicality come together, making it a cherished space for entertaining guests or enjoying quiet moments outdoors. Whether relaxing by the fire pit or gathering around the built-in bench seating, this contemporary backyard design offers a harmonious and versatile haven right at your doorstep.
Number 6.
Enter an enchanting world of wonder and magic in your small backyard with a fairy garden theme. The winding pathways, miniature cottages, and soft string lights evoke the charm of a mystical realm, inviting you to escape into a whimsical oasis. Embrace the beauty of lush greenery and colorful blooms, where fairies and magical beings can feel at home. This captivating and imaginative backyard retreat is perfect for sparking creativity, inspiring joy, and embracing the enchantment of fairy tales. Step into this magical haven and let the whimsy of the fairy garden transport you to a world of wonder and delight.
Number 5.
Embrace the principles of eco-friendly living in your small backyard by designing a sustainable oasis that nurtures the planet and promotes harmony with nature. The vegetable garden, rainwater harvesting system, and solar-powered outdoor lighting create an eco-haven where you can grow your own food and conserve resources. Native plants and a pollinator-friendly garden support local biodiversity and provide a haven for wildlife. By incorporating recycled materials and eco-friendly decor, you demonstrate your commitment to sustainable practices. Step into this eco-conscious backyard retreat, where you can connect with the earth, make a positive impact on the environment, and find solace in the beauty of sustainable living.
Number 4.
Embrace the allure of a tropical paradise in your small backyard, where a thatched roof tiki bar, hammocks, and swaying palm trees transport you to a vacation vibe at home. With beachy decor elements and comfortable lounge furniture, this backyard oasis offers a perfect escape from the everyday routine. Immerse yourself in the blissful ambience, feeling the gentle sway of hammocks and savoring the tropical breeze. Step into this enchanting retreat, where you can experience the essence of a vacation destination without stepping foot outside your doorstep. Unwind, relax, and enjoy the magic of a tropical escape right in your own backyard.
Number 3.
Transform your small backyard into a contemporary Zen-inspired haven, where a meditation area, bamboo accents, and a Zen rock garden foster a sense of tranquility and balance. Embrace the simplicity and elegance of Zen principles, creating an outdoor space that invites you to reconnect with yourself and find inner peace. Step into this serene retreat, where the presence of bamboo, the meditative qualities of the rock garden, and the gentle flow of water harmonize to create a tranquil oasis. Find solace and rejuvenation in the Zen-inspired backyard, where you can immerse yourself in the beauty of simplicity and rediscover the art of being present in the moment.
Number 2.
Step into the realm of chic simplicity with a minimalist small backyard design centered around a captivating reflective pool. The clean lines, concrete pavers, and sculptural elements create an elegant and sophisticated outdoor space that exudes modern style. Embrace the tranquility of the reflective pool, where still waters invite moments of calm and reflection. Let the lush greenery add a touch of nature to the serene retreat, while the ambient lighting enhances the chic ambience after dark. This minimalist backyard design offers a stylish and serene oasis, inviting you to unwind and savor the beauty of simplicity. Step into this elegant retreat and experience the allure of chic minimalism in your own backyard.
Number 1.
Create a multifunctional small backyard that caters to your outdoor living dreams, with an outdoor kitchen, bar, and dining area, all complemented by a pergola with retractable awnings for year-round enjoyment. This all-in-one outdoor haven allows you to cook, dine, entertain, and relax in a seamless and functional space. Embrace the beauty of outdoor living, where the versatile pergola provides shade and shelter, making the backyard usable throughout the seasons. Step into this enchanting retreat and experience the joy of outdoor gatherings, delicious meals, and cherished moments with loved ones under the open sky. Whether it's a casual cookout, an intimate dinner, or a lively gathering, this multifunctional backyard offers a perfect space for all your outdoor needs, turning your small backyard into a cherished and inviting oasis.